Here we have an animal from the Cretaceous period. Now, the Cretaceous period is the age of dinosaurs. There's three main divisions in the Cretaceous period. We have the Triassic, we have the Jurassic, and the Cretaceous. And from the Cretaceous, we have the skull of the very, very famous Velociraptor as seen in the movies. And I really like to talk about this one because there's a lot of misconceptions. It never lived in Jurassic times. And it never lived in North America. It comes from China. Its fossils are found primarily in the Gobi Desert in China. And it was a very small animal. So by the size of the skull, full grown, it was the size of a modern day turkey. Now for the size of the skull, it does have a fairly large brain, but don't think that it was this incredibly smart animal. It probably had the same brain power as a pigeon or a crow. It was a feathered dinosaur called a theropod dinosaur. Its skull is very light, so it could move around its skull. It could hunt, but it most likely was a scavenger. When we find these fossils in the fossil record, they're usually found by themselves. They most likely did not hunt in groups as seen in the movies.